once again to my channel. In this tutorial video we will learn AutoCAD 3D machine design. Figure number 38 right side of the screen, which I will draw in this session. So let's start. First you have to give a limit to this drawing. Within some limit, within limit area I will draw this figure. So type limit and set lower limit 0, 0 and upper limit 100, 100, enter. In order to apply limit command, type Z, enter, E, enter, zoom, extend. Now select view. We should draw this figure from top view. So select top view. It will be very easy to draw from top view. Now go to line command. Click here, make ortho 1 in order to draw perpendicular line. And the distance of 115 unit. Now go to circle command, click here and draw a circle of radius 30 unit, and again circle command and 15 unit radius. Again take line command, click here and distance of 50 unit, type 50, enter. Again line command and extend it the distance of 15 unit. As the circular portion, the distance, the radius is 30, so diameter is 30 and radius will be 15 unit. So I extend it 15 unit beyond this line. Now go to circle command, click here at a radius of 15 unit and again take circle command and radius of 9 unit. Here diameter is given 18 units, so radius will be 9 unit. Okay. Again line command and type 10, click here and join to this circle. Again line command, type 10, click here to this circle. Okay. Now take line command and join here and take a offset command, give offset distance of 15 unit from this circle. Okay. Now go to offset command and give offset distance 14 unit and make offset from this line, and again take line command and join this line. Now go to trim command and trim all the extra portion. Here this line is extra, trim it, trim this circle. Now this lines is not necessary, so erase it and also erase this line. So just select and erase it. Okay. Now go to offset command and give offset distance of 6 unit. Okay. Extend it up to this circle. Okay. Now again go to trim command and select all the object and trim select this line and just erase it. Here it is, top view is ready. So select all the lines, make it join together. All the lines are joined together. Now I will use paste pull command to paste pull it and convert it into 3D. So go to paste pull command, click here, take it up at extrusion height 50 unit. Take this portion, extrusion height is 30 unit, and take it up for 15 unit. Is completed and the whole drawing is looking here. Now take union command, click here, select all the parts are union. Now go to line command, click here, select here, and take paste pull command to remove upper portion. Click here and take it back, and extrusion is completed. Now we have to create a circular portion on this surface. In order to create circle in this surface, go to copy edge command, select this edge, take a distance of 15 unit, enter, and now take line command, select midpoint to midpoint, take circle command, click here, give a radius of 15 unit and another circle of radius 6 unit. Okay, here circle is created on this surface. Now take paste pull command, click here, take it back, click here, take it back, here it is. Again go to union command, select this portion to join it. Now go to move command, select whole object and move from here, select all the line and erase it. Here it is, the drawing is ready. Go to southeast isometric view. Sorry, here the circular hole is not created, so one step back, erase this line, select and erase. Now take paste pull command, click here, it is. Go to southeast isometric view. You can view it from any angle. So drawing is created. Now move it. Here it is, figure is ready. If you want to give it any color, select it and choose any color. Change visual style realistic. Here it is, drawing is ready. So thank you for watching and we'll stop here.